How you doing, bro?
Ready? Hey, give me a sticker.
Where you park at, fool?
Dale, güey, dale.
Yeah.
This shit
Damn, what happened? It's bad, bro. Alright guys, so we're literally down the street from the meet. It's literally right here, right over here. So we're gonna pull in right now and I'll record when I get there right now. Cause like I said, I have no mirror. I have to keep looking to switch lanes and shit. And I'm getting stressed. I can't see shit. But we're already gonna pull up. Where you guys parked at, bro? Where you guys parked at?
Did you make a right at the light?
Nah, I went down to the little driveway.
The other side on. We're on the back end, fool.
Let me try to find you guys. Yeah, there's low-key hella people.
Yeah, just. We're
Hello, fool.
sounds like
What's up,
back.
y'all?
How you doing, bro?
You ready? You ready? What's up?
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh,
Chill.
well,
I know, bro. I was trying to finish my trailer because I'm incomplete. I'm missing a mirror and shit, bro. I had to pick up the shit from Color Man.
That's right. It looks clean with the hood thing.
Thank you, bro.
Oh,
All right, bro. I'll see you right now. I was gonna stop you doing that shit.
Hey, give me a sticker.
I have some too right now, fool. Let me park up. Where do you park at, fool?
Dale, güey, dale. Espérate, ahorita te da la vuelta.
Where should we park, fool? Oh no, bro. What? Nah, I don't think so. Oh yeah, maybe. Nah, hell no, I'm not gonna be right there. Just make a U-turn of it. Let me make a U-turn so it's the side with the mirror, not the side with the no mirror. I pulled up all missing, fool. I don't even have a mirror wasn't ready yet.
Huh?
Nah, that's what I took forever. I was putting this bitch back together, fool.
Hi.
Let me park up. I will park right there. Fuck it.
Yeah.
No way you pull up, fool. Huh? This is bad, fool. This is bad, fool. We barely got here too, fool. Nah. I really this fuck is crazy.
Oh, your hood looking nice.
Yeah, I don't have a side mirror though, so that's just sketchy driving with no side mirror.
Is that one?
Yeah.
Are we leaving?
I don't know.
Shut up, fucking Honda.
I think Albert is leaving.
Constant over there.
Really?
Oh, wait, really?
Is he still there? Yeah, I'm gonna record that fool and that's what I'm gonna get content.
Oh, this one's gonna get content.
I'm tired.
That's the one that has the
Yeah, that's the fool that got the sticker. Got a red line racing sticker. Homie Juan, I mean the homie Danny.
You guys missed it, it's over there.
Where I want to record it. I'm gonna clickbait this shit, fool. Damn, what happened?
Yeah, look, right there.
He crashed?
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess he tried to do a burnout. Yeah, that's
Damn, bro.
Did you do it with that mirror?
Yeah, with that one. Because it wasn't ready yet. But I was paranoid, fool. What you doing, Dale? You about to dip or not? Are you gonna dip? Where's the cops over there? Look. There's cops over there.
Yeah, most likely.
Oh, fuck around and get stay right, huh? Well, I've been in meets where they like block every exit and they stay from everybody, bro. That's why I get scared, bro. I got stay right when I was stalked that day, bro. Alright, guys. So like the race, all the burnouts and shit is cool and all,
at the light.
but then it's too much, you know. Like people don't even get to have a good time. That shit gets all fucking hectic and stuff. We had to take off because cops started going inside of the parking spot because everybody's hitting burnouts and shit. So we're like, fuck that, let's go. It's so crazy then, you know. Then people have to fucking leave. You gotta worry, like if us, like we got a bunch of shit done to our trucks, we literally just gonna have a good time and then we gotta worry about getting stay rev and shit. So that's why I'm like, fuck that.
Pues quién te manda.
I know. And then, well, you guys can see people started getting crazy. Someone literally fucking smashed inside of the fucking meat. My homie Danny that saw it, he said that dude was trying to do a pull, a burnout inside of the parking lot, and he smacked straight into a fucking pole. We're like, he fucked up his own truck. You know, so I'm like, fuck, that's just crazy, you know? Those shits are good, bro. Your truck is fast, bro.
You got me, fool. What you mean?
You want to try it again?
Yeah, but let my truck cool down. That shit's hot as fuck. Is that too
Hey. Truck is fast, bro. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much the end of the vlog. We were supposed to pull up to the meet, but like I said, we did go late because I was fucking putting my truck together last minute. We literally left work like at 7. Me, my dad, my brother were there because they installed the lid for me while I was putting the mirror. Then me and my brother put the bumper on. Then we put the hood on, and then we got to put all the stuff that goes from the other hood, you know, the latch and all that stuff. But yeah, I do like the hood. I'm gonna do a full in-depth video of the hood so you guys can fully see it after I get it all color sanded again. Because like I said, the homies that color match for me, pristine customization, shout out to them. They feel bad because they say it feels unfinished, but I was rushing them. Wow, kind of I was. Because I was supposed to go to SenCal, like I said. I was supposed to go to SenCal, but it got pushed back to next month. So I was rushing him, and the homie Juan, that's his cousin, he was rushing him too because he wanted me to pop out to the meet with him today. So he was even telling me, bro, bro, my fault. I don't want people thinking that I did you dirty or anything, you know? Like, I promise you, I'm going to color sanding, I'm going to get rid of all that orange peel. So yeah, I'm going to drop it out Monday with them so they could do that for me. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Like I said, I'll make a full other video on the hood so you guys can see it in depth. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little craziness. We didn't get to enjoy the meet too much, but we had some good races. You guys saw Thali's truck, fast ass truck. You know, he got Sam with the Red Line Racing sticker. Alright, guys, so I'm making a little video real quick. We're gonna go to a truck meet with the homies. This is the Galvancillo meet. I don't know if you guys know what it is. I guess they're doing a meet in Riverside. We're not doing shit, and they all decided to go. So the homie with the ESS kit is coming with the ESS truck, and the other homie Thali. So Albert with the ESS kit. The homie Thali with the Whipple truck, and and the homie Peña too with the lifted fucking NOS truck. I'm right here with Marcos. We're gonna meet up with another homie Alex in Riverside because the meet's in Riverside. He stays in Riverside. Bro, isn't that shit crazy, bro? Bro, that's not the fastest shit I've ever been in my life. Bro, I wish I recorded my face. That ass was scared, bro. Who the video doesn't know just how fast this shit is. Albergazo Airlines, bro. This stuff's crazy. What up, guys? So we're almost at the meet got shut down. I don't know if I said in the video already, but the meet got shut down because we were going crazy. I seen that another Ford crash. So if you guys see the last video before this one, is a Ford crashing at a meet. This time I get another Ford crash. It was a pretty clean Ford. I guess he crashed into another truck. So one of the homies that was there told me that the meet got shut down. Like the cops pulled up. They started giving people tickets and shit. So I guess there's like a little, at the mall right here, there's a parking garage that they always go and take pictures at. They said that there's some photographers there and trucks right there that are getting pictures, so we're just gonna pull up. I mean, we're already outside, you know, so we're like, fuck it, might as well. But yeah, we're gonna go right now. We're behind Albert's loud ass truck. All you hear is that fool's truck. That's just loud. We're just cruising on the freeway because it's raining. So obviously Albert's truck, well, me and Albert are both on slicks, and then Albert's truck is actually fucking fast now, so he has to be careful because that shit could probably get loose on him pretty fast. And well, they're neatos. They're pretty good in the rain. I've driven in the rain before. They're not too bad.
That shit was, bro, we look crazy right here. We thought I was supposed to. Hey, your shit was all crazy, bro.
Alex, I'm gonna send the coordinates in the group chat. Into the wrong parking garage. Yeah, we're getting to the wrong one. So, following the full Alex again. It's like across the mall. So we're going.
Give a little rev. You got it, bro. You should have revved it right there when we were all in front of everybody, bro. They would have got scared.
Fool, Marcus would never have a truck like that. How Marcus would not know how to act, fool.
I agree. I wouldn't be like crazy. It's just like, I don't know. I just want to keep it chill, you know? Bro, I feel like my truck's gonna fucking smack.
Here we go again, like same exact shit as last time, fool.
Bro, I feel it.
Bro, you're nowhere near, fool. You're not that tall.
Because that shit barely clears, Marcos. I was looking what if I hit a little rock or something that goes up, fool? My whole fucking top is off, bro. Don't fucking like yellow and shit. Hey, right now, I see. It's alright, you'll have a fucking drop top, fool. A drop top fucking single cab, bro. I'll catch you guys right now then. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright. I always my trucks sound like that. You guys see that shit? You guys can probably hear it in the video too. These trucks sound insane, dude. We just got to the parking garage. Look, a lot of people here. There's a bunch of trucks coming, cars coming down. Holy shit. So we just pulled up to the parking garage. There's a couple of trucks here, and then this was Albert's truck. Like, he's getting all that attention because of the noises it makes. That shit's insane. Alright, so we're gonna record some of the trucks that are here. Like I said, the meet got shut down. The news up there, but we're gonna record with the folks that's out here. It's just pretty hard. Well, that's crazy, Marcos. Come on now. Hey, jump this fool, bro. Jump this fool. Going right now, fool. I gotta get my color. It's still, the hood is still off. I gotta get it color sanded.
Yeah, I just seen your nose video.
Yeah. I'm making a video right now, fool.
Yeah, because I just heard. Oh, you're vlogging right now?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, fool, you can make them bitches fast when you swap them.
That's just a 4-cylinder right now. That's why I like it. It's kind of like a gas station.
Yeah. Because even then, fool, whenever you want to make it fast, you put like a 5P in that bitch. It'll be quick, bro. A V8.
LS3 though? That's crazy.
Yeah, look them up.
Like
Yeah, it's in the Mustang, the Camaros. If you look up Final Performance, I think it's red or white. They have one though. It has a swap on it. That's their Instagram. It's Final Performance.
I mean, that's crazy, bro. I didn't expect you to run into.
I live out here, fool.
You staying like SP though?
Yeah, San Bernardino.
Fucking, I was about to go to your trucks and coffee this month. I'm about to pull up.
Yeah, pull up. Oh yeah, fool, bro. Do it there.
The last one was active.
So crazy.
Hey, I was telling you, that's just dope. That Silverado, that shit's
Oh, that's my homies, bro.
The gray one?
Yeah.
That shit's
I told that fool to come, but he didn't want to come out, bro. I told that fool.
Check out your interior?
Yeah, bro. I've been watching it, open it. It's all dirty, fool.
I made sure to fucking clean my shit before I came.
But it's just been raining. I didn't drive it all week.
Though, I ain't gonna lie.
I didn't drive this bitch all week, bro, because I was getting the mirrors and shit painted.
This shit's big inside.
Yeah, bro, they have hella space compared to like the older single cabs. Fuck yeah, bro. You got a lot of space in
I was
this
talking to
bitch.
someone earlier, like at the other spot before
Yeah.
this, and fucking, they were saying like the newer Fords are better because like they have less problems and like.
It just depends, fool.
Like the
Yeah. Compared to news, fuck yeah.
That's why you see a lot of more F-150s.
Yeah, it just depends, bro. I mean, if you abuse a truck too, you're gonna have issues, you know?
Hey, this shit's dope, bro.
But yeah, fool.
Damn, it's big inside though compared to mine.
Nah, yeah, they're bigger, bro. The only thing that's bugging me right here is the orange peel, but I know they're gonna buff it out.
And then I seen you crack your bumper right here.
I got a new one.
Oh hell yeah, that's right.
When I
Right
bought the
here,
hood, yeah, when I got the hood, the guy gave me a new free splitter. So I repainted this whole front end. I painted the bumper, the lip. I painted this again. I painted all that gloss black and then the hood. And then they painted the mirrors for me. I'm gonna do like a photo shoot with it because I bought it off Colorado. He sells parts off these. This hood is unreleased, it's not released yet. So he wanted me to put it on and then he's gonna do a photo shoot with it to like showcase that shit. So I just gotta take it so they could wet sand this bitch, get all that orange peel out, and then do that photo shoot with that. Now I gotta repaint the girl though because the girl looks a little bit off now. If you look at it, that shit looks pink.
I can't really tell, but like, I know you can tell through.
Yeah. Because I bought it red on eBay, fool. I already bought it like that, but it is a little off compared to the rest. Oh yeah, bro, pull up, fool. Alright, nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, nice meeting you. Oh, my name's Michael.
Oh yeah, Bernardino, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, bro, nice to meet you. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me?
Yeah, follow me.
I'll follow you back. What is it?
Alright, bet.
This fool Marco love racing people, huh, Marcos?
This one got me right now, bro.
But he has a big ass truck on 35.
Got me, bro.
It wasn't a gap.
It was a gap.
That was a little walk.
Even worse.
No, gap sounds worse.
Gap is like when I race you, bro. That's a gap, bro. Look,
Hey, drive me?
what is that? You got a pimple? No, why is your nose red?
Where?
Your nose, fool, right here. Where?
And I don't do
Cut that shit up from the fucking.
I'm gonna leave it, bro.
Oh, he said I'm gonna leave it.
Good. Hey, I'm looking good.
I'm like- Yeah, I thought a pimple. I got one too. Fool. Look, shit right on it. We're trying to stage TikToks right now. Alright, right now we're just taking pictures of the trucks and shit, and then we're gonna try to do like a TikTok that my girl wants us to make. We're like the one with the gas station. We walk at the gas station, drop their drinks, and look at the trucks. I don't like doing shit like that, but fuck it. Alright, bet.
I say we just all walk out, but quick, bro.
I don't want to look at the camera. I'm camera shy.
You came out cross-eyed, Marcos. You looked at the opposite side. Where are you looking at?
Hey, tell me why I was the one to say look.
And he's the one that said to look straight, huh? The video right here. Like I said, I just wanted to record a little content for Redline. Came to the meet. My girl, I was about to go get some food. We're hungry. That truck's hard too. Look, Manny Vélez, and that's Tony. Alright, but yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. My truck. That'll be the end of it though. I'll catch you guys in the next video.